guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to draw Braixen. Braixen is the evolved form of Fennekin, and she's, well, let's just say she's one of the hottest Pokemon I've encountered so far. She's the evolved form of Fennekin when she was with Serena. Okay, got her head. Next up is the other ear. Okay, next up is the neck. Sure. Okay, next up is her hand. Okay, next up is, well, I don't know if this is a skirt or not, but, this is how Braixen it was originally designed. Would have been better if she wore pants. But the best part of it is we get to look under it. As you can see, it's nothing more than just black parts. Black pants, I think. Okay. There. Okay, next up is her tail. There's the branch that sticks out of her. There's the branch that sticks out of it. Here we go. And done. Basically, that is how you draw Braixen. That wasn't so hard, wasn't it, you guys? Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe. And, well, I'll let you guys know what character I'm gonna draw next. Hopefully this time it won't be so long. Anyways, I'll see you later.